Hi students, welcome to another mathematics session. Today we are going to dive into 3 questions of Form 2 National Assessment in NECTA 2023. If it is your first time to be here, kindly navigate to the channel to see how we solved the previous questions, question number 1 up to question number 7. So let us dive now into questions. So with question number 8, the question was, in the given figure, AD, the ratio of AD to BD is 3/5 and AC is 9.6 centimeter. Find the length AE. So we are looking for length AE, dear students. So first of all, we are going to consider 2 triangles, and I'll be saying that consider triangle ABC and the triangle ADE. So in those 2 triangles, we see that DAE, angle DAE is going to be equal to angle BAC, and this is actually common angle. And also, because these 2 lines are parallel, so this angle and this angle are going to be corresponding angles. So with a small triangle, we'll be saying that actually angle ADE is equal to angle ABC, and these are corresponding angles. But also this angle here, the fact that these 2 lines are parallel, so this angle and the other angle is going to be equal. So I'll be saying that AED will be equal to ACB, and the reason, again, these are corresponding angles. So with these details in our hand, we can easily say that a triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. And this is actually by angle similarity theorem. So if these 2 angles are similar, it means the ratio of their corresponding sides are going to be equal. And in this case now, I'll be considering that AD over AB will be equal to AE over AC. But we are given AD to BD, of course, and AD to BD is already given. So I can say that AB, an apology, I'll be saying that actually AD to BD, this is 3/5. But we know that AB is going to be actually BD plus AD. So AB, I'll be considering BD expressed in terms of AD, so that you have 3/5 AD plus AD. Of course, you add them together, you'll be getting AB actually equals to 8/5 AD. So with these details, dear students, so AB to AD is going to be 8/5. AD to AB, AD to AB, an apology, AD to AB, AD to AB is 5 over 8, as you can see actually from the way we described the triangle. So with these details, dear students, mind you, we are looking for AE. And so from this expression here, we have AD to AB. AD to AB is already 5 over 8. So 5 over 8 equals to AE. And we were given AE already. AE, we have AC actually, which is 9.6. And we are looking for AE. So I'll be taking AE again over AC, which is 9.6 centimeter. So AE, dear students, will be 9.6 centimeter multiplied by 5 over 8, of course. So when you multiply, you'll be getting 60 centimeter, and we just conclude that AE is going to be 60 centimeter, dear students. So we were supposed to find the length AE, and dear students, with these details, you see that actually AE is going to be 60 centimeter. We are going to dive into question number 8B. So with 8B in our hand, ABC is a triangle in which AB equals to AC and D is the midpoint of BC. Prove that ABD is equal, angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. So we are supposed to prove that those two angles are equal. So I'll be sketching a simple triangle, and this is triangle ABC. An apology, I'm going to ignore this. I'm going to introduce another triangle. So this is the triangle. With this triangle, so you have A, B, C, and D is the midpoint of BC. So D here is the midpoint of DC, and we are told that AC equals to AB. AC equals to AB, and this point is the midpoint. So if this point is the midpoint, it means this angle there is going to be 90 degrees. So we are going to prove actually whether triangle number 1 and the triangle number 2 are congruent. Then after that, we'll be in position to show that the corresponding angles are equal. And in this case, actually, angle ABD, ABD, and the angle ACD. So let us start. First of all, I'll be saying that in triangle ADB and triangle ADB and triangle ADC, we were told that actually AB equals to AC. This is given. And also CD equals to DB, of course given, because D is the midpoint. And so angle AC equals to AB, angle ACD, I'm sorry, we are not going to go there, of course, but angle ADC is equal to angle ADB, And we're going to say given because D is the midpoint, of course. The fact that D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint. So with these details, we have side, side. So it means we have side, side, and I'm sorry, but even in these two triangle, AD is common. So I could consider even side, side, side as theorem. So I can ignore this angle here and I just consider actually the side that AD is common line. So now these two triangles, therefore triangle ADC, triangle ADC is congruent to triangle ADB. So if they are congruent, then, and this is actually by side theorem. So with this theorem, we can easily conclude that the corresponding angles, hence corresponding angle here, ACD is equal to ABD, hence shown. So we have already shown actually how these two angles are equal. Diving into the next question. The next question, this is question number 9, dear students. And the students were supposed to apply the concept of trigonometry to solve the question. So in this question, we were taught that the angle of elevation of your building from a point on the ground is 25 degree. If the point on the ground is 80 meters from the base of the building, find the height of the building, correct it to 1 decimal place. So we are supposed to find the height of the building, correct it to 1 decimal place. So to find the height of the building, correct it to 1 decimal place, first of all, we are going to draw actually the building. An apology. We're going to sketch. So let us see how the diagram will look like. So this is actually a wall of a building. So the angle of elevation from a point on the ground. So this is the point on the ground. The angle of elevation is 25 degrees. And we were told that the distance from the ground to the wall of the building is 80 meters. So we are looking for height. We are going to use actually the concept of tan. So I'll be saying that tan theta is actually always opposite side over adjacent side. I'll be saying tan 25 now degree equals to opposite side, that is h over 80 meters. So it means we'll be saying that h is 80 meters multiply by tan of 25. You're going to check actually in the table tan 25. Tan 25, dear students, tan 25 will be 0.4663. So we'll be taking actually h equals to 80 meter times 0.4663 663, eventually you are going to get 37.3 meters. 37.3 meters. And because the question said correct it to 1 decimal place, then it's okay actually that the answer is going to be 37.3 meters correct to 1 decimal place. Going to 9b, calculate the length of BC in the following figure. So we are looking for BC and we are going to use Pythagoras theorem. So I could say that by Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus AC square, this is going to be equal to BC square. So you have 6 square plus 8 square equals to BC square. So BC square will be equal to 100. So BC, dear students, will be square root of 100, which will be meter square. So BC will be equal to 10 meters. So BC is 10 meters, dear students, and that is the solution for question number 9b. Jumping to question number 10. We are now in the last question. At a certain school, 250 students attended on the first day of reopening of the school. 350 students attended on the second day, and the 150 students attended on both first and second day. It was further noted that 10 students were absent on both days. If all registered students were supposed to attend the school on both days, how many students does the school have? Do not use Venn diagram. So we are not allowed to use actually Venn diagram. So I'll be saying that NF1, or I can just actually say ND1, number of students who attended the school in the first day. ND2, actually number of students again, number of students who attended the second day. So now we are looking for total number of students. So to be able to solve this question, dear students, we are not going to use Venn diagram as directed, of course. We are going to use formula, and the formula we are going to use here is, I'll be taking first of all number of D1 union D2. This is going to be number of D1 plus number of D2 minus number of D1 intersection D2. And we were given actually from the question, number of D1 was 250, number of D2 350, and number of D1 intersection D2 that was 150. Okay, so it means number of D1 union D2, this is going to be 250 plus 350 minus 150. You'll be having actually 250 plus 350, you have 600. 600 minus 150, you have 450 students. So total number of students will be taken now this combination here, total number of students, you'll be taking actually number of D1 union D2. You're going to add number of D1 plus D2. You're gonna add here with an apology. I'm trying to arrange the page. We're going to add with number of D1 union D2 complement. And in this case, actually, you have 450 plus 10 students. Eventually, you'll be having the total of 460 students. So that was set question, and this is how actually students were supposed to solve the question. Okay, jumping to 10B, the last part. The given pie chart represents the number of students who passed the qualifying test in mathematics, chemistry, and Kiswahili. Find the fraction of students who passed the Kiswahili. So for part 1, fraction of those who passed the Kiswahili, part 1 will be taking actually required fraction will be 210 degree over 360 degrees. So this is 21 over 36 by 3 will be 7 by 3 will be 12, of course. So that is solution for part 1. Part 2, percentage of students who passed the mathematics. So I'll be taking 120 degree divided by 360 degree times 100%. With multiplication, you have actually 1 over 3 times 100 degrees percent, and it will be 33.33%, dear students. Jumping to the last part, part 3, the percentage students who passed mathematics and chemistry. So mathematics and chemistry will be taking 120 degree plus 30 degree divided by 360 degree. You multiply by 100. When you do that, you have 150 over 360 times 100%. So you simplify. By simplification, 0, 0 goes. By 3 here will be actually 5. By 3 here will be 12. You'll be having 500 divided by 12%. When you simplify 500 divided by 12, you have 41.67. It is 41.67%, dear students. So that is solution for the kind of exams actually, and this is actually NECTA 2021. We have already solved all the questions, so dive back to see how we managed to solve all the questions and practice as much as you can, dear students. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you're going to be updated actually on the upcoming content. Until next time then, I wish you all the best in your mathematics learning endeavor. Peace.